have a couple here who's arguing over you. Okay, so we've got a person that is very, very angry. And it seems to be about you. Okay, so let's see why this couple are arguing over you. Okay, they feel disappointed in their connection and feel as though it's you that would actually truly fulfill them. However, heads all over the place, they don't know what to do. There are some secrets that have come to light, and so there's a couple arguing it out. This couple may be a family unit, so whether that means children or married or just in a long-term relationship, and you seem to be the hot topic, okay? It's explosive, so it's all happening very fast and it's happening right now. So if you don't know about this, you soon will. If you do know about this, you will know that you are the person that one of the people in this relationship wants, okay? They hold you in high regard, they're putting you on the pedestal, but no matter what's going on between you two, there's chaos at home. See, it just shows there. Emotionally, these two people are turned away from each other. Okay, so they're not connecting, the miscommunication, it's a mess. It just shows here that the balance is completely off. There's an emotional block between these people, and your name seems to be mud in that house, okay? I'm just going to take a look at it a little bit deeper and get you some more details. Yeah, I mean, again, every time this person thinks of you, it's happy feelings, good feelings, you know, celebratory feelings. However, they're in a place of loss. If you don't know about this and you're kind of out in the cold or being pushed out and kind of wondering what the heck's going on, I can assure you that you soon will know. You might be feeling kind of in no man's land. You may not be speaking to this person, or you just might not know all what's going on the other side. As far as that relationship, it is just showing here that it's over. Okay, it's coming to an end. They're going to be separating and then going into a place of healing. So if you've been waiting for a person, or if you've been in a third-party situation, know that the relationship that's currently happening is going to end. It might not end straight away, but your person is standing up for themselves and walking away. Okay, so they're going to use their authority to kind of put the foot down and say, this isn't what I want. Now, if this person that you're involved with has been going back and forth and balancing yourself and this other person, that's about to stop. Okay, you've got communication showing there, and it's showing quite a powerful communication, so they're going to be telling you what you need to know. If you're struggling emotionally at the moment, just kind of know that this block that you're also feeling will move. Now, we have here, that would represent being led by desire. So if you feel like you want to kind of say something or cause a problem, be careful, be warned, because that would be acting impulsively and the outcome might not be good for you. Best advice I can give you at the moment is to do nothing, because it's just showing here there is chaos going on. There's going to be a legal separation if they're married, or financial separation. Everybody's kind of having a very difficult time at the moment, including yourself. So just kind of catch your breath, give it a little bit of hope, give it a little bit of time. I said hope then because the top card there said hope, so be hopeful in this connection, knowing that nobody has given up on it. It even says on there, they've not given up on this. So they're coming to you, but at the moment, it's kind of up in the air. I think there's been a lot of fake smiles in that relationship, kind of trying to make out that everything is okay when it really isn't. Hope again. Stay hopeful. This relationship is going to come together for you. At the moment, they're arguing out the toss. There will be a separation, and this person will come. They will chase you and be with you. Third party's going. They're holding back with feelings for you, but that's what's going to be coming forward.